Right now, as you watch this video, you are moving into the future, frame by frame. But physics knows how to supercharge this journey. The methods to see your great-grandchildren or witness the absolute end of the universe already exist in the laws of nature. You just don't know how to use your ticket yet. In this video, you'll discover how approaching the speed of light freezes time for you, how black holes warp space-time to throw you into the future, and the undeniable proofs Einstein left behind. No heavy quantum jargon, just pure reality. Keep watching to learn how to unlock the universe's ultimate cheat code. Let's start with the most famous cheat code in physics: speed. In 1905, Albert Einstein dropped a bombshell on the scientific world with his theory of special relativity. He realized something mind-bending. Time is not a universal constant. It is not ticking at the exact same rate for everyone in the cosmos. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. To really grasp this, picture a classic thought experiment: the twin paradox. Imagine two identical twins. One stays on Earth while the other steps into a starship, accelerating to 99% the speed of light. The astronaut twin travels across space for what feels like just 5 years to him. But when he lands back on Earth, he hasn't returned to the world he left. His twin brother on Earth is now a 60-year-old man. While the astronaut has barely aged a day, he didn't just travel through space. He skipped decades into Earth's future. This isn't magic, and it's not a movie plot. At high speeds, your personal clock literally slows down relative to the universe around you. If you want to travel 1,000 years into the future, all you need is an engine fast enough to reach near light speeds and enough fuel to keep going. But what if you don't have a starship that can reach the speed of light? Well, Einstein gave us a second ticket to the future. And it doesn't require moving at all. It requires gravity. 10 years after his first breakthrough, Einstein released general relativity. He proved that massive objects don't just pull things toward them. They literally stretch and warp the fabric of space and time. The stronger the gravitational field you're in, the slower time ticks for you. If you want to jump forward in time, you just need to find the most extreme object in the cosmos: a supermassive black hole. Picture this: you park your spacecraft just outside the point of no return, the event horizon of a giant black hole. The gravitational pull here is colossal. For you, sitting in the cockpit, 1 hour passes normally. You drink a cup of coffee, look out the window, just 60 ordinary minutes. But far away from that massive gravitational well, back on Earth, 7 whole years have ticked away. When you finally pull away from that cosmic monster and fly home, you will find an Earth that has moved years ahead. While you haven't even finished your day, you didn't travel at light speed. You simply let gravity bend time around you. Now, this might all sound like pure sci-fi calculations on a blackboard, but here is the mind-blowing truth. This is not a theoretical guess. It is happening right now. You don't need a supermassive black hole or a futuristic starship to prove it. We measure time dilation every single day. Take the astronauts on the International Space Station. Because they are orbiting Earth at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour, their speed causes time to slow down for them. When astronaut Sergei Krikalev returned from his long stays in space, he had literally traveled 0.02 seconds into the future. It's a tiny fraction of a second, but it is real time travel, even closer to home. Look at your phone. The GPS Uidalura, orbiting thousands of kilometers above us, experience both speed and weaker gravity. Because they are further from Earth's core, time actually ticks faster for them by about 38 microseconds every day. If scientists didn't manually adjust the atomic clocks inside those satellites to account for Einstein's equations, your phone's navigation system would be wrong by several kilometers every single day. The universe is constantly forcing us to correct for time travel. Just to find the nearest coffee shop, you didn't travel at light speed. You simply let gravity bend time around you. So, travel to the future is not a debate. Physics proves it is already happening, frame by frame. The equations are crystal clear. The universe already printed your ticket to tomorrow. But here is the brutal reality check. While the physics is 100% real, the engineering is a complete nightmare. Reaching near-light speeds requires more energy than exists in the observable universe. And orbiting a black hole, the gravitational tidal forces would stretch your body into atom-sized spaghetti before you could even take a sip of your coffee. So while theory opens the door to the future, engineering locks it tight. And if you think traveling to the future is hard, try turning the clock backward. Because going into the past doesn't just require impossible engineering, it breaks the fundamental logic of cause and effect, triggering paradoxes so dangerous they could tear reality apart. We'll break down why the past remains strictly forbidden in our next video. Subscribe, stay grounded, and keep exploring. See you at the next horizon.